Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by using the Facetime app and the correct Apple ID. This ensures you're disabling calls for the right account. Open Facetime now from your Dock or Applications folder. Once open, glance at the top left to confirm the signed-in Apple ID. Then, make sure notifications are active in system settings so you can toggle behavior later. These steps prepare the interface you'll use to stop incoming calls and keep you from missing anything vital while you change settings. Once inside FaceTime settings, focus on the controls that route calls. If you want to stop only cross-device calls, uncheck calls from iPhone. This prevents your Mac ringing when your iPhone rings. To stop people calling your Apple ID, remove or untick any reachable addresses under you can be reached at. If you prefer a hard stop, toggle FaceTime off entirely. This prevents all incoming FaceTime audio and video calls on this Mac until you enable it again. Finish by testing. Ask a trusted contact to call you to confirm the Mac no longer rings. If the call still comes through, quit FaceTime and reopen it or restart your Mac. Sometimes settings need a restart to apply. If the issue persists, sign out of FaceTime and sign in again with your Apple ID to refresh account routing. One troubleshooting tip: check iPhone settings for calls on other devices. Disable it there too if your Mac keeps receiving calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.